Good afternoon, welcome to GrainTV. My name is Cody Bills. Today is Wednesday the 16th. We had the markets moving lower here today with corn trading down 5 cents, soybeans down 2 1/4, and wheat in Chicago here trading down 7 1/4 cents on the day. Now we did have NOPA Crush numbers out yesterday. We didn't report on that yesterday because there was no GrainTV. This morning we also saw the USDA FSA release their corrections to their monthly U.S. acreage data at 9 a.m. Basically what we saw out of those corrections: corn, farmers enrolled 84.289 million acres of corn versus 83.147 million acres last month. Soybeans, we saw farmers enrolled 80.688 million acres versus 79.478 million acres reported last month. And for wheat, farmers enrolled 52.223 million acres compared to 51.731 million acres reported last month. Now, when it came to preventative plant, we did get farmers for corn reporting 2.352 million acres of preventative plant compared to 2.301 million acres reported last month. So it does look as though the acres for preventative plant did increase a little bit. Soybeans, 2.219 million acres compared to 2.173 million acres last month. Again, a situation here where preventative plant did increase in their forecast or their estimate there. And for wheat, going from 696,000 acres here from 693,000 acres last month. So we did see an increase for corn and soybean preventative plant. We saw a decrease in wheat preventative plant. Let's take a look at the chart, see where we closed off the day. You'll notice the November soybean daily chart here. We're hanging right around resistance. Resistance is 8.90. That was when we gapped lower there just back in late August. So I think what we're seeing here is some strong resistance in that area. I don't think if we don't get above that, I think what's likely to happen is we'll start cupping back over on the lows. But I wouldn't be surprised to see us move a little bit higher here. We are flirting with this price level, and if we get one positive day here, it could unload a little bit of short covering for a little bit of a technical rally. So we'll have to see if that comes to fruition. When you look at corn, the daily corn chart here, you'll see that we're right around that 100-day moving average. We ended up closing below it. That 100-day moving average is right at 387. So just be cautious around this price level. I do think we could see a little bit of selling pressure. I think it's difficult to get above this. As you can see, early on in August, we tried to get above it. We're unable to close above it the second day, and that was the start of another few days of selling. Today, again, we couldn't close above it. It'll be interesting to see if tomorrow we get selling pressure or if we can kind of consolidate around this price level and then take another move higher. That, again, is yet to be seen. We'll have to see how it plays out here in the next couple of days. Now, we did get weekly ethanol production. Well, ethanol production increased 3,000 barrels per day up to 961,000 barrels per day. Ethanol stocks declined 351,000 barrels to 18.29 million barrels at the end of this week. So a little bit of an increase there in ethanol production. That's good to see. That should help the demand scenario. And let's just talk quickly about the NOPA Crush numbers. These came out yesterday. Like I said, we didn't report on them. NOPA Crush was reported at 135.304 million bushels. The average analyst guess was right around that 135 million bushel area. And this is up significantly from last year, where we had 110.663 million bushels there crushed in the month of August. So this is relatively good to see, but it was within analyst expectations, so no big surprises here to move the market. Soy oil stocks came in at 1.48 billion pounds. Analysts were expecting to see a little bit more, around 1.572 billion pounds, but this is still up from last year at 1.213 billion pounds of soy oil. Tomorrow, we will be having export sales out early in the morning. Here's the expectations. Corn ranging between 400 to 600,000 metric tons, soybeans 900,000 to 1.3 million metric tons, and wheat 275,000 to 450,000 metric tons. So We'll have to see whether or not we have any surprises here. We'll be reporting that in our morning commentary and also at the close of the day on GrainTV. If you have any questions about what we talked about today, please give the office a call. The number is 877-472-4607. I look forward to hearing from you. If you haven't done so already, take a demo of our trading platform. See what it's like to have live quotes in the palm of your hand, being able to view live quotes and also view real-time your account balances in real time. So it's a great platform to keep on top of your marketing plan, any positions that you have in the futures market. It's a great way to capture opportunities when those opportunities present themselves in the market. So thanks a lot for tuning in. We'll see you here on Thursday for the Export Sales Report.